So what is permanent partial wage loss, and what happens if you suffer permanent partial wage loss? This is simply, you see it all the time where someone has an injury and they were doing a very physically demanding job, like heavy equipment operator or longshoreman, or working on some kind of tank or turret in Afghanistan. Labor, hard-working jobs. And the injury that you have, back, shoulder, knee, whatever it may be, it keeps you from doing that type of job ever again. And you're able to work, you're just not able to work doing that type of job. So what happens? Well, you were earning a good salary because that type of job is risky and very physically demanding. And now it's not that you can't work at all, you're just having to work a lighter duty job that frankly doesn't pay as much. And so in that instance, what you're entitled to is a period of benefits, the difference between what you were earning before the accident and what you're earning after you return to work after the accident. You're entitled to 2/3 of the difference between those two numbers. And you're entitled to it for a period of time that's designated by the Workers' Compensation Commission. It's very important that you work with your lawyer to determine what those pre-accident wages were, because a lot of times insurance companies want to deflate that number, act like it wasn't as high or significant as it actually was. And you want to make sure that it's very clear through the new job employer, through witness from that employer, or from a vocational expert or somebody else that can help quantify what your actual earnings will be or will likely be as a result of your work accident, that difference or that lowering in the value that you're going to make after the work accident. When you determine all that, you're entitled to 2/3 of the difference between the old wage and the new wage, and that's what's known as permanent partial wage loss.